Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a CV axle on a Toyota 4Runner. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a 35mm socket, a torque wrench, and a pry bar. Safety is paramount, so ensure your 4Runner is securely lifted on jack stands on a flat surface. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. This guide will make the process straightforward and manageable for you. Now, let's get to the removal process. Begin by taking off the front wheel, then unbolt the brake caliper and rotor to expose the axle. Use your 35mm socket to loosen the large axle nut. Next, separate the lower ball joint from the steering knuckle to create enough clearance. With these components out of the way, you can carefully pull the old CV axle free from both the wheel hub and the transmission. With the old axle out, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the splined end of the new CV axle into the transmission, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Then, guide the outer end of the axle through the wheel hub assembly. Reattach the lower ball joint to the steering knuckle, securing it properly. Finally, thread on the new 35mm axle nut and hand tighten it for now. For the final steps, reassemble your brake rotor and caliper, tightening all bolts to their specified torque values. Now, with the vehicle still on the ground or the wheel supported, torque the 35mm axle nut to approximately 174 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel and lower your 4Runner. Always double-check all your connections and take a short test drive to ensure everything is functioning correctly and smoothly. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.